This video is going to show you how to make chocolate dipping sauce in the microwave. All you need is some chocolate chips, some Crisco, and I'm going to dip some strawberries in the chocolate. I use the same recipe to do Buckeyes with, to dip the peanut butter balls into the chocolate. So all you need is to line a microwave safe bowl with Crisco. I just take the back of a spoon and line it just like that. This is so the chocolate doesn't stick to the pan and it won't burn either. All you need is to line it really good. About a tablespoon. And this bowl holds one of the small bags of chips. So a small bag of chocolate chips, and line your bowl with Crisco. Then we'll do 30 seconds at a time in the microwave. This is after the first 30 seconds. See, it's starting to melt down below. So we're going to put it back in for another 30 seconds. Another hint, if you have a bowl that goes in the microwave, put it on a plate. That way you don't have to handle the bowl and you won't get burnt. So we're going to do it another 30 seconds at a time. Okay, this is the third time on 90 seconds. See how nice and melted it's getting. Never want to over melt, because then it'll be burnt, and then anything you put it on will taste burnt. See how it's still got a little bit of chocolate lumps in it? Just stir it up. Keep stirring. That chocolate will melt. So you did a bag of chips for 90 seconds altogether. And you've got nice melted chocolate. And this is the same way I melt chocolate for when I make Buckeyes too. And you just dip it in. Right now I'm going to show you. Just take a strawberry, roll it around. I put a toothpick in there to hold it. Then I have a wax paper lined pan over here so it doesn't stick. We're just going to set it right on there. Just take the strawberries and roll them around in there. These strawberries are really ripe, so toothpick doesn't want to stay in them. That's okay. We'll just give a little help with the spoon. This helps roll it around in the chocolate. And then just pick it up with the spoon gently. Get the excess chocolate off. Put it right on the wax paper. And you just let these sit on the table until the chocolate firms up again. Don't need a double boiler, don't need any special equipment. Just a microwave, some Crisco, and some either chocolate chips, or you can use candy bars. But if you use candy bars, you gotta break them up in little pieces. And that is how you melt chocolate in the microwave. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And I do have cookbooks on Amazon, Mama's Desserts and Meat and Potatoes recipes. I hope you enjoy this little recipe. Have a nice day.